What's up, y'all? We are back at the C10 Southeastern Tennessee Nationals Truck Show, or Tennessee Truck Nationals. All Chevy GMC show. We're going to do a little video today, go around. As you can see, there is some pristine trucks, and we're just at the entrance. There's supposed to be a lot of big name people here and a lot of vendors. We're hoping to hit all of them. As y'all know, I'm a huge C10 fan, huge Chevrolet fan, along with Garrett. Garrett's got my old OBS, the truck I used to have for 14 years. And of course, the girls love these shows. We got Briar with us, Garrett, Sadie, Kimberly, Miss Sarah, and of course the star of the show, Mr. Briar himself. Woo. So we're going to show y'all some trucks through this, play some music through it, show you some of our favorite picks, and just be a little video, summertime video. I know it ain't got nothing to do with hunting, but we sure love our Chevy trucks. So we'll see you in a second. Briar said, I don't care about the trucks, I like the golf carts. Chevy and GMC.
License plate says 10 cents. License plate says 10 cents.
Good.
10 cents?
Yeah, I get it.
I love it. Yeah. The color. You should do something in that color. Whatever that color is.
Jacked up Squire's pretty.
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine, buddy. This truck a lot like mine. Commitment. This is a C10. A lot of people are putting these new model cat eye truck seats in them. They look good though. Good Lord, now this one here's got a screen in it.
Made in the shade. Well, not so. There's orangeade.
They gotta have lemonade, baby, orangeade.
That sounds really good.
Orange juice?
Orangeade. Like orange lemonade. Yeah. That sounds really good.
454 SS. Oh, I'm sorry, babe. Well, what's wrong, Kim? I thought it was square body only for you. What are you doing with that
I like the red
OBS?
one, and I love this. I love this.
Buy Garrett's. Garrett's cat eye jacket.
Sarah.
Ruthless. Pretty wicked square in it. Complete frame off.
Babe. They're too much.
Those are pretty. What are they, Z's?
Now they're, I don't know, they're the same way.
Jamie, you got drinkies?
Got that view.
That's pretty.
Very neat. It's so cool.
So you can sit back here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the interior on this freaking thing.
It's insane.
It's insane how much detail is in.
It's even got a matching bag. That's wild.
It's got a picnic bag.
Yeah. That is so cool.
They should eat some wild bird. See, that's what I like. It's not the last 10%. It's the last 2%. Yeah.
Else. That is cool.
Yeah, that's dope.
Freaking slick paint job.
You think it's paint or you think it's wrap?
Oh, it might be right. Now that you said that.
Yeah, it's a paint or it's custom.
I'll look for some of those.
I want to see both.
This is like courthouse, courthouse. Yeah, this is it. That's like.
Oh, Garrett, look at this. Well, I know it wasn't much of a video, but I can get, so some of the takes I take away from the show, that's the second year we've been to that show. And it was just me and Kim last year, and we had a lot more of our family with us this year. But the setup of the show was exactly the same, but good Lord, there was a lot more trucks. Now I see why everybody says go on Thursday afternoon, set up, or go stay local and then stay Friday and Saturday, because there was way more trucks or more stuff than we even thought. We were there 5 hours, didn't cover a quarter of it. So that's why there's not a lot of video, but there's some of our picks. I really love that 66. Kim was a big fan. I didn't know she liked OBSs as well as she does, because Garrett's an OBS fan. He loves all the C10s. I'm more of a 67 through 72 kind of guy. I've had a lot of them in my past, a lot of them that I wish that I had got to keep. But anyway, those C30 don't look nothing as good as the ones that was at the show, but we're going to be doing some work on this, and this is a work truck. So who knows, in the future I might have another C10. But anyway, some pointers I'll take away from the thing. This show is in the middle of the summer and the hottest heat. It was 96 degrees with a heat index of 105. We burnt up. So take plenty of sunscreen, find something to stay cool, take you a cooler if you can get it in, to bring your own drinks and stuff. But the food was great, the music was great, the people was great, and it was a really good show and added for a great weekend for us. So we'll probably visit again next year with some of the precautions of staying hydrated, wear light colored clothes, and take plenty of sunscreen. But we had a blast. But you'll probably get one of these videos every year in July, so I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like what we're doing, please subscribe and like. And as always, God bless. We'll see you on the next video. See ya.